Problem 2. The load capacity of a boat is 5,200 tons. Its volume is 20,000 cubic meters, loading 3 types of cargo A, B, and C. For type A, every 2 cubic meters is 1 more ton. For B, every 8 cubic meters is 1 more ton. For C, every 4 cubic meters is 1 more ton. The total amount of weight type C takes up is 1.5 as much as the total amount of weight type A takes up. How many tons of each type of cargo should be loaded so that the amount of stuff on the boat matches the amount of volume and load capacity it has? All right, let's first see what we know. So A plus B plus C, we could just use those as variables, is equal to 5,200, right? And we also know that 2A plus 8B plus 4C is equal to 20,000. So that's what we know. But the problem is we have only 2 equations and we have 3 variables. So we need to eliminate one of them in some way. Remember, it says that the amount of weight that type C takes up is 1.5 as much as the amount of weight type A takes up. So we could just replace this as 1.5A and replace 4C as 6A. Right, so that would cover this, and we now only have 2 variables. So let's simplify. 2.5A plus B is equal to 5,200. And 8A plus 8B is equal to 20,000. So what is A plus B then? If we know that 8A plus 8B is equal to 20,000, we can divide both of the sides by 8. So A plus B would be equal to 2,500. So A plus B is equal to 2,500. Then over here we would have 2,500 plus 1.5A is equal to 5,200. 1.5A would therefore be equal to 5,200 minus 2,500, and that's going to give us 2,700. Therefore, A is equal to 2,700 times 2/3. And this gets 900, and we have 1,800. So A is equal to 1,800, and just like last time, in a real circumstance, you would have to use full sentences. B would be equal to, let's substitute A in, and that would be equal to 700. And also include labels, yes. So C would be equal to 6A, which means C would be equal to 6 times 1,800. And that's going to give us 10,800.